Drones have gotten a pretty bad rap these past few years. All we ever hear about is how many people drones have killed. But for me, drones represent something else. Something potentially very positive. A technology that, in the right hands, could solve some of our most dire problems. In the age of smartphones and self-driving cars, India's small farmers are still at the mercy of unpredictable weather conditions. California is no stranger to drought, yet produces half of the food supply of the entire United States. American farmers use UAV technology all the time to collect information about their crops. In Kenya, some 3.5 million people wake up every morning not knowing if they'll get to eat that day. I traveled to Jomo Kenyatta University to speak with Professor Deru about his work with Kenyan farmers to understand how UAV technologies can help them.
The future of agriculture is to provide more information. That then means that we need information gathering tools, and some of them are things like UAV, UGV, and sensors, of course. The initial cost for a drone, currently, the cost is not so friendly. But this is something that we believe will change, essentially because there's a lot of research coming on how to create cheaper drones. And then those cheaper drones can be deployed by groups of farmers. Therefore, the cost benefit of doing precision agriculture, eventually it should be something that is highly sustainable. Yeah. Drones are things that a farmer can own. They can be able to release them to the fields. Once they release them, they get real data immediately. You don't need to consult the government, you don't need to consult the satellite owner and such. The aim is not to delay the processing of data.
In India, small farmers are twice as likely to commit suicide as the average person, because they basically face the possibility of financial ruin every single day. And because of all the suicides in these communities, there's even more poverty as women are widowed and left to fend for themselves.
We are at the initial stages of this kind of deployment of drones in small-scale farms. The future, for me, looks very bright and very interesting, actually.
Agriculture is becoming revolutionized. There is hope to feed every single person, effectively and sustainably, for the future to come. Because we know this works, we have to start making it work for everyone.